Why not end the weekend with one of the best car culture cases, unboxing and giveaway? We're just going to keep doing it. My business partner thinks I'm crazy, and I probably am, but guess what? We're having fun. We're giving away sets. I like it. So, today we're going to do Drag Strip Demons F case from last year, one of my personal favorites all time of any Hot Wheels release. Just got that classic look to it. But real quick before we open the case, here's where we're at. July 4th, we're going to do a drawing for all of this. The comments get you a pull on one of the sets, and then on the other set, we're going to do a subscriber pull. So go ahead and comment and subscribe. Okay, F case, Drag Strip Demons. This case was super amazing. The card backs that Julian did are amazing. The castings are amazing. I mean, this is the epitome of being on a roll as a department right here of premium Hot Wheels. I mean, just so well put together and done. Okay, so pull them out two at a time because there was 2 sets per case, so even distribution. The first car in the case was the 66 Supernova. Just look at the tampos on these things, guys. Look at the wheels. Look at how the tire says Goodyear on it. I mean, that's just, the Nova Gasser is just special, period. The next car in the case was the 63 Chevy Nova, done in red. Got the too much, too soon tampo on the side there. Look at that. Again, Goodyear tires, say Eagle on the back. Tampos, sharp. Next car in the case, again 2 per case, was the 65 Dodge Coronet. Right there. Again, just amazing sharp tampos. Look at that hood. Look how the engine comes through there. Eastbound and crowned is what the side says. And it's got Hoosier tire on the back. So it's different than the other 2 that we just pulled out. This one right here is probably my favorite. Again, everyone's got their own opinion. Doesn't matter. But the Cyclone, the American Cyclone, 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. Just an amazing casting. The old school with the card backs. Last 2 cars in the case. This was everybody's favorite. Couldn't find these on the pegs, at least I couldn't. It's the bright green Chevy Bel Air Gasser. It's got the Try Me logo on the side there. It's got the Firestone tire this time. It's got the Firestone tire, got the sweet wheels. Again, this set is just, in my opinion, perfect for everything we've seen come out. So, again, thank you for joining us for the Drag Strip Demons unboxing. Guess what? You already know. We're giving away a set on the left to someone that's commenting, a set on the right to someone that's subscribing. So go ahead and do both. And thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you again soon.